What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the NYXI HYPERION 2 wireless joypads. Big shout out to the company NYXI for sending these over for a review. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details, you can pick these up in black or white color. Now these are for the Nintendo Switch LCD, the Nintendo Switch OLED, or the Nintendo Switch Lite. Now they will not work with the Nintendo Switch 2. These are Hall effect joysticks, which means zero drift and no delay. They feature mechanical micro switches, buttons, and triggers. They have RGB lights, which are adjustable. They have a 6-axis gyro, turbo, vibration, and mappable buttons. They feature replaceable magnetic front covers, and they have ergonomic grips. So those are a few of the features and details. We'll get into more as we check these out. Here's the packaging that they come in. As you guys see, very nice packaging. NYXI, you got a nice photo of the actual joypads there with the lighting and stuff right there. Hyperion 2 wireless controller. And then on the back of the box, some of the same stuff I read off about the Hall effect joysticks. You get the removable covers and the mechanical buttons and the breathing RGB lighting. Other specs right there as well. You guys can pause and read yourself. Let's go ahead and check these out. So I'm not per se a gamer. I do have a Nintendo Switch Lite that I own, and I enjoy a few games on that, but I'm not a serious gamer. So in the packaging, we're here for you, for gamers. Get a little brochure here, giving you some information right there. Hassle-free returns and exchanges. And then some other stuff on the back right here. So you get that brochure in there. You're going to get your manual here for different things telling you about. We'll reference that in a minute. And then let's take a look at the pads here. They come in this nice plastic case, as you guys see here. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get this open. Do have an opening right here. I'm not sure what that's for. But anyway, nice hard plastic case. In case you travel, you can take these along with you. Very nice and convenient right there. So let's take a look at one of the controllers. So here's the first one here. Made out of all plastic. Does have a grippy feel right here to it. And this is it. So it has a good, nice weight to it. It's not heavy, but it's a plastic build. You guys can see all your triggers, buttons, and pads here. Let's go ahead and look at the book here and learn what these buttons are for here. So this one here, this controller here is going to be on this side, so you guys can see what everything is for right there. Here's the back of it. And then here's this side and let you guys know what everything is for. Like I said, I'm not a gamer, so just know that this is joystick. This is your D-pad. Look like your capture button, turbo. You're going to have your Bluetooth pairing over here. And on the back, a release. You get your RGB lighting control there, and you got triggers and buttons here. So that is that one. Let's take a look at the other one. Here it is. Now these will work with your Lite. I'm going to demonstrate that as well. So this is this side here. You guys can look at that and see what the buttons and everything are for there. The name of it right there gives you all the information right there. So, all right, guys. So we're going to get these connected. And I'm going to get my grandson, since he's the gamer, going to let him help me out with this. I'm going to demonstrate it on my Lite, using them as remote controllers like this, because they won't connect to the Lite. But here's your removable faceplate. So if they have other colors or different styles, then you can connect that as well. And they just magnetize on there. So let me get these set up and we'll come right back. Okay, guys, so I have my Nintendo Switch. We're going to try to use these as independent controllers here because they won't dock to this. Now, if there was a grip that they made for these, it would be a whole lot nicer. We're going to go ahead and turn on the pairing for each one of them. See if we can get these paired up. I got that one searching. Got that one searching. So what I did is I came over to the controllers here. I went to change grip, and this is where they connected. After I did that, as you guys see, that one is connected there, and here's the other one. So when the lights stop flashing, they are connected. I'm gonna go home, and as you guys see, I can move about here. So let's take a look at the RGB lighting real quick. So you push this button on the back right here, and this is how you can get to your lighting. And every time you press the button, it cycles through. So this is the breathing pattern here. This is where it just goes through all different kind of colors. And then this is going to be your solid color. So if you want to change the color, just hold down on the button on the back, and you can just cycle through different colors here as well. Just like that, right there. And you can go to the breathing. If you want just a solid color on the breathing. All I was doing was just pressing that button and moving the joystick. So yeah, you can cycle through just like that. You can turn them off. Now you're going to get different battery performance on these if you're using the RGB. Let's get this one going with the RGB. There it is. So I could cycle through these as well. Same adjustments on this as well. And there it is. So here's what they look like. That looks pretty cool right there. You can also set your vibration here as well. If you hold down on this button, it changes the vibration pattern, makes it stronger or weaker. And you can't see it, or I can feel it in my hand right there. So just cycling through here, going through the Nintendo here, as you guys see, I'm able to go through. So we're going to fire up a game here. Let's go ahead and do this. Going to click that. All right, so the game's loading up. As soon as the game load up, I'll let you guys see how it plays. Okay, guys, so I have Raymond hooked up here. We're going to try these out, see how they work. As you guys see, now they're big enough in the hand where you can use these comfortably, but if there's a grip here, then it would be a whole lot easier to hold them. But using them independently is not too bad. And I'm easy, I can easily move about here and try these out. As you guys see there. It's a little game I play sometimes. Like I said, I'm not a big gamer. I mostly like sports games, and that's what I play most of the time. So we're going to go ahead and try to get past this guy here. And he got me. But let's swap over to basketball. So far, everything is really responsive. No issues with anything, and it looked really nice with the RGB lights. So let's fire up NBA and try that out. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have the NBA pulled up here. Now just look at the size of these compared to the controllers on the Nintendo Switch Lite. You got so much bigger buttons and joysticks here. So it's much more comfortable. If there's a grip here, it would be even better. But these are big enough where you can hold them even with the size of my hands and comfortably play this. So we're going to go ahead and start this up and see how this works out using them like this. So here's the jump ball. Let's see what I can do here. So we won the tip. Let's bring it up. And I do feel the rumble right now as well. Let's go up with a shot. And there it is. And the foul. So we'll go to free throw line. But feel the rumble, as they were trying to defend me. I think the rumble is only going to be on when you're on offense. So he makes the shot. He gets the free throw as well. Now I got to play a little defense. But these feel great so far in the hand. Oh, he's wide open. I'm sitting here talking. Didn't realize that. But the controls are nice. These are big enough like I said, to comfortably hold in your hand while playing it like this, since these will not connect to the Nintendo Switch Lite. So let's go up. Oh, he missed it, but yeah, these feel great playing like this. The lights make it look very nice as well. Now next, we're going to try these out with my grandson's Nintendo, regular Nintendo. I think he has the LED or the OLED. I'm not sure, but we're going to hook these up there, and I'm going to let him give you his opinion on how these feel to play with on that device. So stand by.
Oh, crud. Pretty sure I will like these more.
Yeah.
Let me try using the...
Okay, guys, so this is my grandson, Jalen. He has been helping me out with the game controllers. What do you think about them, Jalen?
I mean, they're alright. Not bad.
Okay, in comparison to the original Joy-Cons, you think you like these better, or?
When holding it in my hand, I like the other Joy-Cons more for how small and how easy they are to feel in my hands. But I do like the sticks and how these feel.
Okay. So how do you think they work as far as in-game play compared to those?
Pretty much the same. I feel like the sticks are a lot more smoother. The buttons, I like the Switch buttons more, but these have a lot more click to them.
Okay, what about the RGB lighting? Is that something that...
Not really.
It's not something that excites you that much?
Not really. I mean, it is what it is. A cool little neat feature, especially if you're like playing in like the dark, I guess. But
yeah,
it's not bad.
And how easy are they to connect or disconnect? Can you pull one of them off real quick? Now, what about setting that up and using them independently, not attached to the Nintendo?
Not attached.
You use them with my Nintendo Switch. Did you enjoy that experience?
I did enjoy that experience, mainly because I played some good games on it. But once again, same feeling. Not bad by any means.
Well, you enjoyed it. You enjoyed more connected like that.
Way more connected like this.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Jalen, for helping me out with this video.
You're welcome.
You always pop in from time to time. People are seeing you grow up right before their eyes. And this is the NYXI HYPERION 2 Joy Pads. So I'm going to finish the video. Appreciate it, Jalen.
You're welcome, Papa.
Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the NYXI HYPERION 2 wireless controllers. I want to give a big shout out to my grandson, Jalen, for helping me out. He's actually grown up on camera. He's appeared on my videos throughout the years. He will be going off to college next year, so I'm kind of sad about that part, but, you know, they got to grow up. But he's a gamer here. He used these with his Nintendo Switch LCD or OLED. I didn't even ask him which one he had, but he thought they worked great. He did prefer the original Joy-Cons over these in certain aspects, and he preferred these, I think, for the joysticks. He liked the joysticks on these a little bit better, but overall, he thought they were great. I asked him off camera if his Joy-Cons broke, the original ones, would he use something like this? And he said yes, he would. So these are, you can use these independently. The RGB lighting on here is very cool. Cool effect right there as well. And one thing about this, if you plan on buying these just to use them with the light, be mindful that I didn't see nowhere to charge these. I don't see a port on here to charge these. So when you're using them with the LCD or the OLED, they're going to charge right through the gaming system. So keep in mind of that. Maybe they'll come out with a grip or something that'll have some way of charging these. But overall, I thought the buttons feel good. I'm not a not a gamer. The triggers and everything work great. Yeah, so they come with everything that you need. They feel great in the hand, and they look awesome as well. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick these up. Will H. I'm out.